The Philippines and the U.S. have yet to formalize the selection of military bases that will be offered to the Americans. But residents of Barangay Bahile in Puerto Princesa say Oyster Bay will be one of those outposts. Carmela Fonbuena went there and filed this report.
Welcome to Ulugan Bay in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, a pristine sanctuary that faces the volatile West Philippine Sea. Inside this bay is another bay, the Oyster Bay. It's home to a neglected naval station that is now being upgraded.
Asset, ma'am. Katulad nga yung pinupurpose nila dyan, ma'am. Pier, tapos doon yung hangar ng mga helicopter. Doon sa taas yun, ma'am, makikita niyo mamaya. Tapos dito yung tower na communication.
The Philippines set aside a starting fund of 300 million pesos to improve the naval station. It will serve as a rewatering and refueling base for ships. This includes a boathouse for 2 speedboats. Oyster Bay is a paradise, but instead of tourists, there are warships and gunboats. This bay within a bay is strategic for the military. It is one of the bases that the Philippines wants the Americans to use under the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement. Roads going to the naval station are being developed. They are also talking about expanding the Bahile Wharf. For a poor community, the improvements and job opportunities are most welcome.
Ikaganda ng ating area dito sa Ulugan Bay dahil maprotektahan yung ating karagatan diyan sa pagitan ng China Sea at sa tung Malampaya Reef.
Welcome po sa aming punong barangay. Mas lalo po siguro welcome sa aming mga kabarangay.
How will this impact the environment? The mangroves will be cut and the bay will be dredged. Residents are counting on the city government to ensure the least damage to Palawan's famous bay.
Nakalagay po tayo sa gitna kasi siyempre po titingnan din natin kung ano ba yung magiging kakalabasan. Halimbawa kung sakaling andito yung ating mga friendly forces, tapos yung naman sa environment.
And while it is clear progress comes with the Americans, the question is, at what price? Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler, Palawan.